But you know for question 2, the one that's like 1 plus 1, did you get 3?
No, I got 5. But have you applied for your 2020 95 Tauraki contest?
Nah, not yet. But they open on Tuesday, the 7th of January 2020. Oi, did you know they're coming out with new grants and scholarships this year? They have multi-medium grants, STEM tutorials, Unitech scholarships, and Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei resources.
The first distribution will be at the Education Summit
At
Ōrākei Primary,
on
1st of Feb.
So,
Make sure you and Whānau come along.
however, to be eligible, you need to be a registered hapu member. So for more information, haere te pai tukutuki.